a magnificent and captivating residence located in Nova Lima, Brazil. This is Concrete House, a project designed by Ângela Roldão Arquitetura that highlights the beauty in the simplicity of exposed concrete structure. With a built area of about 710 square meters, this house demonstrates how raw materials can be elegant, functional, and seamlessly blend with its natural surroundings. Situated in a condominium area surrounded by the natural landscapes of the Serra do Curral Mountains, the house is designed like a box of concrete and glass, opening up to breathtaking views. This transparent visual concept forms the basis for the name Concrete House, with an emphasis on rational and open structure. The ground floor is dedicated to service areas and entertainment spaces. There's a cozy TV room and a spacious outdoor living area. The swimming pool is one of the key features in this area, fully covered with porcelain tiles that match the flooring, creating a crystal blue appearance that blends into the mountain horizon. Access to the second floor is through a staircase located in the double-height foyer, adorned with a portico and large pivot door that create a grand impression. This is where the main activities of the house take place. The dining room, family room, private living room, guest toilet, kitchen, and office are all integrated within an open-plan layout, directly facing the stunning natural panorama. Each room receives ample natural light, enhanced by a well-designed landscape garden. One of the fascinating construction details is the presence of holes from the concrete mold that have been deliberately left open in certain parts of the walls. These holes serve as points for natural light, creating dynamic shadow play during the day. From the front facade, you can immediately see the mountain views piercing through the entire building thanks to the large glass windows framed with vertical curtains, balancing privacy while maintaining a visual connection with the outdoors. Between the main rooms, there is an external terrace that serves as the heart of the house. A jabuticaba tree grows in its center, bringing a fresh, organic atmosphere. Concrete walls feature small niches where herb plants are cultivated, providing additional functionality for the kitchen. Meanwhile, the private zone is separated by solid concrete walls, creating tranquility and privacy. There are 3 suite bedrooms, including the master bedroom, which directly faces the natural views. Concrete house is a testament to how minimalist design with raw materials can create warmth, comfort, and a strong connection to nature. This house is not only visually appealing but also smart in function and sensitive to its context. This project can serve as an inspiration for those seeking a blend of contemporary architecture, sustainability, and closeness to nature. Thank you for watching this episode on Block 7. We hope the explanation of Concrete House has provided you with new inspiration for designing a functional, aesthetic home that harmonizes with nature. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss other exciting home design references. See you in the next video.